I don't really like when people say to me, oh, wear that because it makes you look young. When is it okay for me to get old? I like to see people happy in whatever they're wearing. I was married, and I came home for lunch one day to surprise him for lunch, and he surprised me. He was gone. And when I got off work, I called up my girlfriends to tell them what happened. My friend said, why don't you make me something to wear? And I made 5 dress jumpers, and I made $125. By the 3rd week, I had my rent, and I thought, maybe I should keep doing this. Sofistafunk is a lifestyle collection of skirts. Once I realized that Sofistafunk had become a business, I wanted to do what I felt was my responsibility to our landfills. So I designed my skirt patterns that there's nothing left. If I could use that dust for something, I would. Sometimes people plan things, and sometimes your life is just planned, and you just gotta follow. Am I successful? My success isn't measured by how many people know my name, but how comfortable am I with the ones that do, that love my product. So success to me is just simply never giving up. It's funny things that you do when you're against a rock in a hard place. You just have to do. I could have cried, or I could have just tried something. So I said to myself, Arlinda, you can sit here and cry, but you're just gonna have a wet face, and you gotta keep looking forward. When I hear people ask me about my success, I have to stop and think, am I successful? Oh, I guess I am, because I never gave up. Success is more simple than people think. Hopefully I could say that.